Hey, don't mind me just cooking up stuff in our brand new hobby oven. So we're back here in our powder coating area today. This is an industrial setup that helps us do what we need. But what we've actually found is there's a lot of people doing it at home. There's a lot of options out in the market for the actual systems themselves to get to a residential type system for powder coating, for ceramic coatings and other things like that. But what we haven't found is really a residential good option for somebody to cure at home. So what do? Well, a most common option we found is people get on Marketplace, they find an old range and they wire in 240 to their garage, and they're actually running a kitchen range there in their garage. But this isn't a great option because one, do you really want to run a whole nother 240 outlet? And two, what we've come to find out is that baking for food and baking to cure are two totally different processes. So look what I did. This is a box that I made that's actually made to hold temperature. I've got heating elements in the back, a shield to prevent some of that direct radiation, and this is a large capacity that we think we can hold temperature, something that's going to be 24 inches wide, 32 inches tall, but only about 12 inches deep to try to maximize that heat density so that you could cure things like a 20-inch wheel. This provides a lot of flexibility for automotive or other type of hobbies to get most of these parts in here. So this one is going to be 120 volts. It's going to be made for your garage to plug into the wall. How we're doing that with such low power is we're actually insulating it really, really well. There's 3 inches of insulation all the way around this. We're trying to maximize keeping that heat in there for a nice steady temperature curve. Well, another thing that's going to make this different from a standard household range is going to be the controls. This is something that's going to be purpose-built for these applications. We're not baking, we're making. So this is just a prototype. This is little more than a box. We're playing with size, how this would fit, what you could fit in here, and what this can do. We want to hear from you. What would you use an appliance like this for? Me, I'm an automotive guy. I'm thinking coatings, I'm thinking press fit, I'm thinking metal. But we want to hear, what am I missing? What are you guys into that requires some heat and a good temperature control that maybe we could actually repurpose this and fill your needs? So give us your feedback so that I can integrate it as I keep working on this. We'll keep you updated. Follow along.